Xiamen Metro, branded as a cross-mass transit railway, is an underground rapid transit system in Xiamen, Fujian, China. Line 1 began operation 31st December 2017, with trail runs from 6 October 2017 to 11 October 2017. The construction started on 13 November 2013. The Xiamen Urban Rail Transit Group was founded for construction and operation. On 8 October 2016, the National Development and Reform Commission approved Phase 2 of the Xiamen Urban Rail Transit Construction Plan. The approved Phase 1 of system development includes 3 lines, with 62 stations, 75.3 kilometers in length. The approved Phase 2 of system development includes 4 lines with 67 stations, 152.2 kilometers in length. The approved phase of intercity rail system development includes 2 lines: Quanzhou-Xiamen-Zhangzhou, Zhangzhou-Gangwei-Xiamen, with 263 kilometers in length. Line 1 with 24 stations, 31.5 kilometers length, 15 minutes duration of trip was opened on 31st December 2017. The line goes from south to north. Line 2 will have 32 stations, 41.6 kilometers length, and is scheduled to be completed 2 years after the opening of the system. It will go from east to west mainly through the island part and then through Halkang Channel to the mainland and connect the airport at Hal District and the Southern Rail Station. Line 3 with 26 stations, 37.86 kilometers of length, is scheduled to be completed 4 years after the system's opening. It will serve the island part of the city from southwest to northeast. Line 4 with 18 stations, 69.6 kilometers of length, is scheduled to be completed 4 years after the system's opening. Line 6 with 27 stations, 44.5 kilometers of length, is scheduled to be completed 4 years after the system's opening. The Xiamen city government plans to build an urban-suburban metro network comprising 11 lines, 404 kilometers in length, with 188 stations. In addition, there are long-term plans to connect the Xiamen metro with the Zhangzhou and Quanzhou.